Welcome to Sabbu's kitchen. There is no end to the varieties of chocolates. Preparing chocolate bubbles which kindles the childishness in you. Join me in Sabbu's kitchen preparing chocolate bubbles.
The ingredients are milk powder without sweet half cup, powdered sugar half cup, milk quarter cup, chocolate 1 cup. Add milk in a pan, boil it. Switch off the flame after boiling, add milk powder and sugar, mix it well. Once the consistency is similar to this, switch on the flame, stir it continuously in low flame. Once the mixture becomes thick, switch off the flame, let it cool. Apply oil to your hands and divide the mixture into balls of different sizes. Place them in a rectangle on top of a greased plastic sheet as shown here. Melt the chocolate and pour it evenly on top of the balls. Tap it lightly and refrigerate it. Cut the edges evenly and separate it from the sheet. Kids' favorite chocolate bubbles are ready.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.